Okay, so in this video, first of all, we are going to learn how to find a easy to rank keyword in Google for any niche. So we will search in both way, a local niche and a local keyword which have a city name with it, and as well as non-local keyword which is not having a city name mentioned in it. So let us just start this way. First of all, we're going to open google.com/ncr, and to be safe side I will use Ctrl+Shift+N in Google Chrome so that no history is having an influence on the search results. Suppose my research is about garage door, so garage door repair, and suppose I'm searching for somebody in New York. So now when I manually type this in the Google, I see garage door repair New York and so many relative keywords. So I will just copy them all. I will paste them here in a Notepad++, Control A, Alt U to make them first letter capital. Now what I can do is these are actually the keyword which Google suggests. So what are the Google suggest keyword? They are the keyword which are actually searched by others in the Google. So there is a huge probability and possibility that these are searched by so many people, and thus they are good keywords because they are related to New York. So if you are a New York garage door repair client with you, then this is a good to go. All in title. Now we will type in all in title, colon, inverted comma, and between the inverted comma we will mention the keyword. Now you see Brooklyn, New York. So if you go with this keyword, it's an easy to rank keyword because only 2 results, and out of that also one is slide share. So whenever you see a thing like this, that somebody's slide share, somebody's yellow page listing or something is ranking, that means it's an easy to rank keyword. So you can create a blogger blog, you can create a Google site ranking it, and then you can have a backlink from there to your main website, or you can create a new page for Brooklyn, New York, and with this keyword highlighted. That way you can rank easily on this keyword in Google without even creating a hefty amount of backlinks. So when you have a good and easy to rank keyword, the benefit is sometime or more often you will be having ranking as soon as you create a good SEO optimized blog post or a page on your website or your blog. So this why you can easily search. Now let's just pick another industry. Tree services, Los Angeles. So this is a tree service kind of stuff. We can see a lot of keyword are related to some company name, so I will just remove that. Now let me just check this one, all in one title, inverted comma, and between the inverted comma we mention this. So now you can see it's not also a very hard keyword, so you can go with this. There seems to be a company name this, but that's your decision because sometimes companies have generic names. So inexpensive might be a generic name. I don't know if they have a trademark or not. That's something you can check at your end. Now about tree care service. So this is just one set of keyword. Now suppose you check it this way, that you check it for tree care Los Angeles, and suppose you find 99 results. So obviously you cannot go with this, but what you can do is you just enter this keyword, then you get another keyword which is not the same but related one. So in this manner I press the back button and then I just enter this new keyword which I found in my research. Voila, this time I can go with this one because of the region. Affordable tree care Los Angeles is an easy to rank keyword. So what is the easy to rank keyword? When you get like less than 10-15 results or less than 18-20 results even sometime, but generally prefer those keywords which is less than 7, 8 or 10 numbers of results in all in title. They are easy to rank keywords because Google don't have anything in their title or SEO optimize page for this particular keyword, and that is why you can target this keyword. So in this case study we also figure out how to find tree care Los Angeles. Now let us see some more ways to figure out how to do the keyword research. I'm sorry, I'm just picking one of the random website. I don't know if it's related to somebody. Excuse us, please. It's just a case study. We are doing the research. So suppose this is a website treecarela.com. Now there is a website called UbSuggest, and this website can help you doing some couple of searches a day. So if we go to their plan, I don't know what, maybe we need to sign up or something before doing that. So here you just have to mention the domain name, pick a proper city name. If you want to say New York, it's not giving us a location base, so city wise, so just go with New York. Put in the domain name there. It might have some limitation because it's saying us you can just go with a couple of them, not all of them, just one search out of 3 per day you have done. They are not showing us all the results because obviously they are a paid tool, but we can have some filter. They lock our below side. If you like the tool you can subscribe, but for time being I'm just wanting to see the easy to rank keyword. And then you can say free removal agreement, certified database arbitrist Los Angeles. There can be controversy among what other tool think is a easy to rank keyword and what you think from all in title, but all in title is more accurate. Doesn't mean these are not accurate. They also give you a truly a basic idea about what you can think about and what you should be avoiding. So in this case, suppose it's the 34 and 30 searches, then you can just come up here, all in title, and then inverted comma, and then inverted comma close, Google thinking I'm a robo. I'm confirming I'm not a robo. 10. So it's not that much a hard keyword. It can be easily reachable, and thus here in this example case it just matches what we are learning here. So that's all. We do apologize if it is your website. It's just a case study. We just pick a random website. We can do the same for any website, and these are all public data, so we do apologize. We have no wrong intention. We just seeing it as learning a case study of what information available on the internet. Anyways, that's all for now. So we learn it through Google all in title ideas, and the next part we will learn is how to find out the latest in trend keywords. So suppose there is a website trends.google.com, and if you go over there and you say arbitrist Los Angeles, and then you say you have a Los Angeles mention over here, and then you go in the bottom, obviously they're not showing you much data there. Tree services in California. Okay, so now you can see like tree planting services people are searching, and it's rising as well. So maybe we can go with this. And then if you want to search a local city keyword, then what you can do is you can mention the United States here, and then tree planting service over here, then tree planting service near me. It's a keyword. It looks like it's increasing actually. Let's go. So we got a hint that what kind of topic we should be picking. Now we will be putting this here and then New York City. So suppose I got this one, and now I can do the same which I learned earlier. Together we learn. Okay. Zero search results. Man, this is can be a really fantastic keyword. So this is why you can do a basic keyword research. You can also use Google Keyword Planner. So this is another tool. I'm using it from my account. If you can sign up a free AdWords account and you get in this Google Keyword Planner. I got mine, you can get yours. And even what you search here, entry Kerala case study, you can do the same in Keyword Planner. Google do that as well. Or there you will see that as well. So first of all, discover new keywords, its size, what's the website name. I enter the website name here. About the New York, obviously is my city area. This guys. Okay, so I enter tree service there and I enter the website name below. Now let's see what comes to us. So you can see like there is a huge search about tree removal service. So a lot of people, I'm talking not about Los Angeles but New York, but maybe you can just say New York as well here. And when you enter New York, you will see a lot of New York related keywords. So this way as well you can do a keyword research. And even if you get a high competition website, high competition keyword, then also you can just put in that keyword there. Then you can see here as well and here as well. Click there if you find something good there. I'm not sure what Chaffee means. Is it a city area? Yeah, Chaffee is a small hamlet in the town in southern. Seems to be a location. So care, and then you can even use this one. Now you can see like a whole lot of keyword. Now this can be, this can be, this can be, this can be, these can be checked through, all in title. Each one of them you can get them, then each one of them can be searched like the same way we did for all in title. And that way as well you get a whole lot of keyword researched. So the idea is basically if a keyword is having 10 to 100, that's mean a good keyword and it worth to go like this. So you can just put in like this and then you can get a whole lot of related keywords and you can check each one of them. So in this video we learned about how to do a keyword research without any paid tools and utilizing what we have freely available on the internet. I will have some bonus video with this one next in the series, and that would be using some paid tools but finding more easy to rank keywords faster using some paid tools. But I just thought that this is a good idea that we all should first see how to do that basics through whatever freely available on the internet. Thank you very much.